Hello everyone. Today's tech news is: Number 1. Samsung is building an 8K ultrawide monitor to succeed its massive Odyssey Neo G9. Even if it's not true 8K, that's gonna be a lot of pixels. Number 2. Cherry's new keyboard switch is inspired by the rare 1980s Nixie. Prized for their sound and smoothness, the original switches now sell for exorbitant prices. Number 3. Now's the time to buy last year's iPad. Whether you want a basic iPad, something more capable, or want to replace a laptop, you can save a ton of money by buying last year's versions, and you won't miss much of anything at all. Number 4. Sega is keeping mini consoles alive. The company has two new tiny devices, the Astro Mini City V and the Sega Genesis Mini 2, that prove there's still a place for miniaturized classics. Number 5. Asteroid surveys are on the hunt for city killers. Planetary defense efforts are looking for asteroids that might cause regional destruction in the future. Thank you for watching. Subscribe FFFT for more information.